Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you a little bit about Java. Now, first of all, let's jump right into it. Now, the first thing I want to tell you guys is what a class is. Now, a class is a template that describes the data and behavior associated with instances of that class. When you instantize a class, you create an object that looks and feels like other instances of the same class. The data associated with a class or object is stored in variables. The behavior associated with a class or object is implemented in methods. To first make a class, you need to figure out a name for your class. Once you find out your name, you will simply make a class by typing public class and then the name of your class and then open curly bracket. And don't forget to make one at the end too. Alright, so now we have that done, we're gonna discuss instance variables. Now these come in many different types that each have their own specific uses. For example, a string variable, otherwise known as a line of text, can be made using string and then whatever you want the string to be equals quotation marks and then your string, and then end quotation marks, and then a semicolon. Next, I would like to talk to you about the difference between public, private, and static variables. Now, a public variable is accessible anywhere in the code. A private variable is only accessible in the class itself. A static variable has a single value for all instances of a class. One example of these is these strings. These are created outside of our method that then make them public because our class is public. Next, I would like to talk about Java constructors, and these are special methods that are called when an object is instancized. In other words, when you use the keyword, the constructor instantizes the newly created object. One example of this is in our driver class. Right here you can see that we're making a new constructor using cat tiger equals new cat. Now what that did is create a new constructor that allowed me to make a new instance of that method. Next, I would like to discuss what an object is. Now, an object is very simple. It basically has states and behaviors that include methods and variables. For example, you can see how I have tiger in here. Now, in this case, tiger would be the object, and this object is jumping and speaking. Alright, that concludes my Java tutorial today for you guys. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.